Now that you've copied your link, you want to go to the assignment where you're going to submit the presentation. Currently, I'm in the Holistic Perspectives course, but any one of the courses where you have to do a presentation, just go to the place where you need to submit it. In this case, we're submitting the CAM presentation, and that is going to go in the discussion. And you've selected your CAM topic, but here's where you're going to submit it. And you go down to where it says type a response. And you can say, you know, CAM, you can type in CAM presentation. You could type in whatever your topic is. And then you highlight the title or whatever you called it and click link. Now remember, you have your link from the actual presentation that you're going to submit here. This is what it's going to say, and when you insert it, it hyperlinks it, and when I click respond, it actually shows up, and you can click on it, and it'll take you to your presentation. I just did a sample link, so that's why it looks like that. So that's how you're going to share your presentation in the discussion. Please let me know if you have any questions.